Banana
you.
Fest. Hello.
I think I met you at the Salty Sisters.
Yes.
Okay, should I get a t-shirt this time? I finally figured it
Sunbelt.
out. Let's see. Here you go. Medium or? They're just like...
Banana Fest. Here we are at Banana Fest with Muppet.
Well, it looks like we got more acai bowls.
Woo. Surf Museum.
Hey, how you doing, Rob? Anybody over there? Anybody? Anybody? Yes. I'll take soccer.
I want one of these for my front yard.
Get your form in the water. Giveaway. For your speaker fish. And we got some large performance core MCS2s from Nate Florence. So you gotta go big with these. Gotta go big.
What?
So get back out in the water.
So cute.
Pet her. Her name's Muppet.
Hi, Muppet. My hands are a little wet.
That's
so
all right.
I tag on
She don't
her.
care.
She's so cute.
Thank you.
Can I pet your chicken?
Sure.
Hi. Is it a silky?
Yes, she is. She is a silky bantam.
You are so pretty.
Do you have a name?
Oh,
Muppet.
Muppet.
Little Muppet.
Muppet.
oh, hey Muppet, you're so cute.
You can pet her if you like.
I would love to pet her head. Oh, her head is so soft.
Everybody loves Muppet.
She is awesome.
She's a great pet.
What a majestic bird.
What happened to Sunbum? No.
Oh, you! I've seen you before.
Yeah, it's
Hello.
Muppet.
What's your name?
Muppet.
What's it?
Muppet.
Muppet. Oh, I love Muppet.
Muppet's
Oh,
a good girl.
I gotta get you too. Make sure you're in there. Oh, you're a cute little dinosaur, aren't you? Oh. Oh, you're awesome.
Thanks.
You're real pretty.
You can pet her. She's very friendly.
Oh, hi. Hello. You're cute.
She's a good girl.
Uh-huh.
Some
Look at
some
those
chickens are
feet,
not.
too.
but
Those
yeah.
are gnarly.
Yeah, she was out in the mud all day yesterday. And I cleaned her up real
you were
nice.
playing in the mud.
Well, she was playing in the rain, but she was standing in the mud, so she's bright and white, and her feet are gnarly.
Oh, they're cool looking though. That is a cool looking bird.
Thanks. Sunbum. He's back up. Banana Surfin. Good job, girls. Keep it up. Sure.
Then such a little throat.
Yeah, her name's Muppet.
Oh, what the?